Good day guys, hope everybody's well. This is Bernard here. I have another engine I want to show. It's a Yanmar diesel engine. It's a model TS50C, 5 horsepower. It's quite a unique engine. It's got a radiator. It's water cooled. It's got a radiator with a fan on there that constantly keeps air running through the radiator while the engine's running. This engine hasn't run in about a month, and I'm gonna see if it will run now. When we first start up in a few months or a month, because I had it at a show a month ago. Right, let's see if it will start. First put the fuel on, diesel, fuel control, but first I'm going to put it off, get the hand crank, I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to first let the oil run through. This is to show your oil pressure, so if that pops up, it will show there's oil pressure. I'm just going to give it a few turns just to get the oil running. See that thing pop up there, it pops up. I'm just going to turn it a bit more just to splash a bit of oil around. Right. Now I'm going to put the fuel rack on to start. I'm going to hold the decompression in because it's a diesel, it's got high compression to make it easier to turn. I'm going to turn this, get it up to speed. I'm going to leave the decompression and it should start. So let's give it a try. Running quite beautiful. Start very easy. Give it a quick walk around. Right, let's shut her down. I'm going to put that lever to the stop the fuel. And then put the fuel tap off. And here we go. Hope you've enjoyed. Like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.